Hello people, hello guys, welcome back. Follow me, let's cook this simple yam recipe, plantain yam recipe that is so easy and fast. So here are my ingredients: paprika, onion, shallot, tomato. I'll blend them properly. So once this is blended, I added vegetable oil and added my minced blended tomato. Sorry that my camera did not capture it. I added crayfish, paprika, curry powder, onion powder, ginger powder, garlic powder, salt, some seasoning, Maggi, spices, and I added my bay leaf and rosemary. I'll cover it and cook it. So here I have my plantain and my yam already peeled. I put them to the and I added water. Sorry, my camera did not capture that. I don't know what is happening to my camera today. Always check your camera when you are doing video, guys. It's a warning. So I added some more crayfish and some seasoning again. So I'll cover and cook it. So here it's cooked. Follow me if you are new on my audience. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on our social platform: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok.